Hey guys, welcome today to the Boater's Dream House here in Lighthouse Point. Today we're going to be showcasing a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, a 2-car garage with 80 feet of waterfront. Come on in and check this place out. Welcome to the kitchen. Can you envision yourself here? Look at this beautiful space. Entertaining the family after a long day of fishing. Built-in stovetop. We have a built-in ice machine. Great space for entertainment. Look at all this space around you.
Welcome to this amazing boater's paradise. You have 80 feet of beautiful waterfront. This home features a beautiful saltwater heated pool. But the best thing for all you boaters, we're literally less than 3 minutes to Hillsborough Inlet. Thanks for joining the Ramirez team at this beautiful waterfront listing. Please call us for all your waterfront needs.